When a government becomes silent in the face of injustice, divine justice begins to speak. This is not just about land. This is not just about politics. This is about justice, accountability, and the universal law of karma. Welcome to Time for Justice, where we expose injustice, present truth before God, and allow the karma of justice to deliver what earthly systems refuse to provide. Today, we address one of the most dangerous and destructive policies in South Africa's history: expropriation without compensation. They took the best farms, and now they want the rest. South Africa's history is well known. After negotiations, the government purchased farms in the name of empowerment. These were not failing farms. They were the best producing, most profitable agricultural enterprises in the country. These farms fed the nation. They created jobs. They sustained entire communities. 30 years later, many of those farms lie in ruins. What was once world-class agriculture is now silent land, broken infrastructure, and economic collapse. This is not empowerment, this is destruction. And now, instead of accountability, repair, or reform, the government seeks to seize even more land without compensation. So who will own the land, and what will be done with it? We are told this is about black ownership. But let us ask the honest questions. Who exactly will receive this land? South African citizens or illegal immigrants? Will the land be farmed, protected, and sustained? Or will it be sold, looted, or abandoned like before? Land without stewardship is not justice. Land without accountability is not empowerment. And land seized through force carries a heavy karmic debt. Let this be clear. This is not about race, it is about power. This channel does not defend any race. It defends justice. What is unfolding is not born of love or restoration. It carries the fingerprints of greed, vengeance, and hidden agendas. When land is taken unjustly, families are destroyed, livelihoods are erased, and generational heritage is stolen. And karma never forgets. God is the final witness, prosecutor, and judge. I place this entire process before God, not politicians, not courts corrupted by delay and silence, but God, the highest authority. God stands as witness to secret meetings, prosecutor of deception, judge of unjust laws, and enforcer of divine consequence. What is sown in darkness will be reaped in full daylight. This brings us to the karma of justice. What you sow, you will reap, without mercy. This is not about vengeance. This is about universal law. Every action creates a return. What is stolen returns as loss. What is destroyed returns as collapse. What is planned against others returns multiplied, not only upon individuals but upon ancestors and descendants. The karma of justice does not negotiate. It does not delay. It does not forget. A land grab is a crime against human dignity. It is one of the cruelest forms of injustice. It robs people of their homes, their livelihoods, their identity, and their dignity. For many families, land is not just property, it's survival. When land is taken without consent or compensation, people are left homeless, poor, and silenced. This is a betrayal of humanity itself, and the government has forsaken property owners. There is no justice in the system. Police do not respond. Courts delay endlessly. Legal costs destroy victims financially. Illegal occupiers face no consequence. Property owners are abandoned. The aggressor walks free while the victim carries the burden alone. This is not justice, this is institutional failure. But when earthly justice fails, divine justice activates. When the system fails, God does not. The words spoken in truth will not return void. They will fulfill their purpose. Justice does not disappear. It transfers jurisdiction from the courts of men to the court of heaven. So, what does true justice require? It demands the protection of lawful land ownership, strong property rights, fast and fair court action, legal support for victims, and accountability for those in power. Justice also means restoration, the return of stolen land or full, fair compensation. No one should suffer lifelong poverty because another gained power illegally. We must stand for the powerless. Small farmers and rural families are often targeted because they cannot fight back. Justice means standing with the voiceless, exposing corruption, and refusing silence. A society that allows land theft creates a future of conflict, violence, and collapse. This is a time for justice. A land grab is not reform. It is not healing. It is a moral failure. Justice means defending the right to own, use, and pass down land peacefully and lawfully. There will be consequences. If not from man, then from God and karma. If you believe in justice, if you believe truth must be spoken, this channel is for you. Subscribe to Time for Justice. Share this message. And comment below, do you believe karma will respond? For those who want to go deeper, join the Time for Justice course. This course equips victims of injustice with spiritual understanding, justice principles, how to activate the karma of justice, and truth-based empowerment. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.